Good morning to all. I am Faisal, your social science teacher. Today I am back with a new session. Last session we studied about which block? Yes, we discussed block 2. What is the name of the block? Yes, correct. Our name of the block is houses then and now. What we discussed in our last class? What? Yes, correct. In our last class, we discussed about, yes, correct, different houses. What are the different houses? Anybody can say? Yes, you say. Yes. You can see different houses. And we discussed any other? Yes, we discussed why people build different houses. What are the reasons for building different houses? What are the reasons? Can anybody say? Yes, say. What is that? Yes, correct. He says that the reason for building different houses, first one is that the money. Some people have too much money to build big houses, and some have only much money. They build small houses. Yes? Yes. What's another reason? What's that? Correct. Good. Yes? Choice of the people. There may be some members in a family, they need only small houses. And there may be other families, many numbers, they need big houses. So they build big houses. They live in big houses. So we can see some areas big houses and some house with small houses. Correct? Yes. After that point, what we discussed? We remember? Yes, correct. We discussed houses in villages. Okay. What are the different houses we can see in villages? We discuss present village house and past village house. Okay? Yes. What are the difference? Present village house, what we can see? Yes, people used concretes. They build concrete houses. In past, in earlier time, what they use for build? They use mud for house. Today, that situation is changed. Okay? Yes. What's the difference between present village and past village? Any other point? Yes. What is that? Yes. The roof of the building, roof of the house may change. In earlier time, what they use for roof? They use, correct, they use thatched roof or grey grass. Okay? They use dry grass for houses. And today what happened? Today most of the village houses built with concrete house. That is the difference. And what is that? Yes, correct. In earlier time, in village house have only one room. They have only one room for what? For kitchen and sleeping. Now what happened? Now the In village house, we can see many rooms, separate rooms for kitchen and sleeping. What is the? That is a different we can see now in village houses. These are the points we discussed in our last session. Okay? Yes. We are discussing about our block 2. Name of block 2 what? Houses then and now. Yes. Today we are discussing another area. Okay? Have you ever gone to cities? Yes, you go? Yes. Most of them you are going to cities. And some of them you are living in cities. And what do you see in cities? What? Big buildings. Yes, correct. Big buildings. Only big building? Yes. Flats. Yes. Big flats. Factories. Yes. All are correct. All of you know that. In cities, you can see big building. What is the name of that big building? We can say, last class we discussed about that. Multi-story building. Okay? It has many floors. Okay? And many factories, many people are crowded in city. Okay? Yes, this is the city houses. And today we discussing our area is that differences between houses of the past and present in urban areas. What is urban? Do you know? Yes, urban means city. What are the difference between houses of the past and present? Okay, I will show you some pictures. By seeing these pictures, you can clearly understand what are the differences between present urban house and past urban houses. Look at this image. What do you see in this picture? A house with a beautiful lawn and a vast big open space. A beautiful house here, this one. Okay, do you like this home? Yes, all of you like this home. It's a good home. Okay, I like this home. Okay, yes. And look at another image picture. What do you see in this? Yes, it's a big building, or we can say multi-story building. It has many floors. These two are the present and past houses we can see where in cities. Okay? Yes. I will show you the first one, that is the past. Second one is the present city house. Okay, now we can discuss a detail about that two houses, that past one house and present one house, and you can say the points, the differences between these two houses. Okay? Yes. Or maybe the first point that already we told. Yes. The first one is, yes, it has a lawn, beautiful open space. Such a place we can see in city, or this picture, multi-story building, we cannot see what? We cannot see a open space or a lawn. Yes, what may be the next difference? Yes. In a flat or a multi-story building, we can see basement. What's a basement? Basement is a part of a building where we can see underground. Part of ground is a part of a building, underground of a building. What's the use of that basement? People use this basement for, yes, correct. People use this area for keeping their vehicles, cars, motorcycles, any other. In most of the places, buildings, in cities, we can see these kind of places, basements for keeping vehicles. That type of place we cannot see where in past urban houses. They have separate space in their own house. Okay. Any other different present city house and past city house? What? Yes. In multi-story building or present city house, many families living in a one building. And what about past city houses? There may be one family or two family living in one house. That style different change today. Due to, what's the reason for that? Big flats and more families in one space. The reason is that there is no much space, very costly places. Okay, due to they live in more families in a one flat or a multi-story building. Yes, that's the reason. This is the differences between houses of the present city house or present urban house or past urban houses. All of you clear? Yes. Next we discuss about next area. Yes. Rural and urban houses. Rural and urban houses. What do you mean by rural? Village. Correct. What do you mean by urban? Urban means city. All of you know that. Now we are going to discuss rural and urban houses. In today and last classes we discussed about different houses in village and city, and now we going to compare rural and urban houses. What are the important differences between rural and urban houses or village or city houses? All of you ready? Yes. What are the important difference? All of you think about. Have we discussed? Yes. First one, you say? Yes. In village house, what happened? How they make building their houses? Using mud. In village houses, people build their houses with what? Mud. What about in urban houses? They build houses with concrete or steel. Many materials they are using for maybe cement, aluminium. Okay, like these materials they use in where urban houses. That kind of materials we cannot see where in rural or village houses. That is the difference, first difference. All of you correct? Yes. The next one is that in village house for roofing, the houses, what they using? What they using? They use as dry grass. In village, people oftenly, most people using what? Dry grass. And in city houses, urban houses, most of the people using concrete for roofing. They have good roof. Okay, that's a different. Any other different you can say? Yes. What's that? Yes. In a city, many families are living in a one building. It may be multi-story building. We can see many families living. Which family is that? Do you study, remember? Do you study about families very clearly? Yes. Joint family is that? No. That is in village we can see. In city, this multi-story building living which family? Nuclear family. Nuclear family living. What about in village? Village, many members we can see in village houses. That is another important difference between rural house and urban house. Okay? Yes. Or maybe there any other difference? Yes, correct. In village house we can see a separate space for cows, keeping cows near the house. Okay? Like that any space we can see in cities? No. Yes, we can see another place. What is that? Yes, in city or multi-story building they have basement for keeping vehicles, cars. Okay? Yes. Any other different? Yes. In city houses we have ventilators. What is ventilator? A ventilator is a small window. What's the use of that? For air. Through that you will get good air. In village house, or most of the houses we can see what? Ventilator. In city house we cannot see such big ventilators. What we can see? Yes, correct. We can see fans. Instead of this ventilators we can see fans or ACs. That is ventilator. Okay? Now all of you clear about the idea about rural and urban houses. Okay? Yes. These are the important differences between rural and urban houses. All of you clearly check this. Okay? Well study. Okay. These are the our block 2 houses then and now. In this block we clearly discuss about different houses and why people building different houses, and next one what? Village houses. The third one we discussed about different in city houses. The last one we discussed about rural and urban houses. And you want to do, after reading this chapter you will get many points about our block, and after that you want to do your workbook activities. I think all of you are doing good workbooks. Okay? Yes. And today you want to do this S3 and S4. Okay, I will discuss what you want to do in these activities. It has S3. You have 3 activities. The heading is houses in cities. Did you see? Yes, houses in cities. And you can see first question. What is that? Look at the picture and answer the question. You can see there is a picture of a big house. What's the question? How is the house similar to city houses of the past? We discussed 2 different city houses. Yes. Then your question is, how is this house similar to city house of the past? That you want to write, that points you want to hear this place. The next question, write at least 2 differences between this house and a multi-story building. This is a city house, and city house we can see another houses. What is that? Present multi-story houses, and you want to write about 2 differences between this house and a multi-story building that you want to write here. Third one, what is one thing you would not like to change in this house and why? If you see any changes that you do not like to change, okay, you can select any one. Okay, only one thing needed. Okay, third one. Next we go into S4. S4 title is rural and urban houses, that you discuss here. Rural and urban houses, and you can see 3 works, first, second, third one. And first question, you can see, take the materials used to make village houses, underline those that are used for city house. You can see many materials like mud, cement, wood, like that, many materials here, and you want to do 3 works. What is that? First one, you want to tick. What tick? You want to tick materials used in village houses. In this, anything you see from village, people using village house, you want to tick. Second one, you want to underline that are used for city houses, that you want to underline. Third one, you want to circle. Some materials are using in both city and village, that you want to circle. Okay, second question, write at least 5 differences between a village house and a city house, that we discussed in our last area of today's class. Village house, what we can see in village house, and we can see city house. Simple question. Okay, and third, write 2 things that can change a village house into a city house. Anything you can select, that thing may change a village house into a city house. Okay, do you think? Yes, yes, that is one you want to write here. These are the S4 activity you want to write. This is today's your homework. Write S3 and S4 clearly. Okay, this is today's our class. Okay, have a nice day.